In this video, I will teach you all about Trickle AI, how you can use this Trickle AI and all about its subscription plans and how you can use its features for free as well. So let's begin. Here I have browser Trickle AI as you can see on your screen. So simply click on the website here. Now the Trickle AI website has opened next to us. Dream big, build fast. So with the help of Trickle AI, you can build fast things. With the help of this Trickle AI, you can make landing pages, you can make a chat assistant, and also you can make a market research survey. So here if you scroll more, you can see here deliver AI power webs, make designs, etc. And here you can see illustration portrait, market research surveys, and all these things. All these are made with this Trickle AI. Here you can see more and more. So you can also make these things with Trickle AI in just few minutes. Here you can also make apps even with this Trickle AI. For accessing all these features, first you have to create an account here. So simply click on get start option on the top. Here you can create an account with your Google ID or with your email. So I am creating an account here with my Google ID. So here just simply click on continue with Google. Here you can see that our account has been created. On the right you can see create new project, your home, your help center, and also upgrade to pro options. Here now you can see the Cloud 3.5 student option, and you can also access their Cloud 3.7 here as well. Any style, you can choose any style if you want to. Here you can see different styles are available here. You can choose any style that you want to. Here you can also access the database. Here you can see all the projects created by different people and you can get inspo from them. Here you can also see different portfolios and you can see the forms, landing pages as well. Here you can see other landing pages. You can see the landing pages for jewelry store, first variant, and you can see the tools here as well, vision board and all that. Here you can also see the 3D models as well, including the games. Here you can see different games. Let me show one of the game here. Here these creators will roast you for the bad movie you're gonna make. I am very bad at playing piano as you can see on the screen. So let's move to another game. Here you can see this rabbit versus zombie game. So simply click on this game. Here you have to kill 5 zombie. These all games are made by this Trickle AI. Here you can give command and you can make your own game. So let's go and test this Trickle AI. Here I have create a journalist portfolio for me. Here you can also choose the style, what style you want. So here I'm choosing auto, leaving on the system. You can choose any specific style if you have any specific style in your mind. Here you can see that they are creating a journalist portfolio for us. So here they are creating different things. I'm very excited to see the results. Here you can see that our portfolio has been created. Here you can see about this person, the journalist. Here you can see all about the person, about you. Then you can see the articles. Here you can see all the articles. You can see here the publication, and then you can see the contact info. This all is created by this Trickle AI. Here you can see this Trickle AI has done such a nice job, and this all is created in less than, I guess, 5 or 6 minutes. Here you can see all the info. I am really impressed by the results. Now here for testing it more, I am creating the ChatGPT's clone here. Creating ChatGPT's clone is really a difficult job to done. So here let's see how Trickle AI will done this job. So I'm really excited to see the result. Here you can see that Trickle AI has started working on this project. Here you can see that ChatGPT's clone has been ready. Here on the left you can see the new chat option where you can open a new tab. And here you can ask different questions to test this ChatGPT's clone. Now here I have asked this ChatGPT's clone about the latest AI models. Here this ChatGPT clone is working, and now you can see the result created by this ChatGPT clone. The result was more like ChatGPT and it also provided us real-time information. I was really impressed by this ChatGPT clone. As we were on a free trial, here you can see that one message remaining. Now you can upgrade for continued access. So for upgradation, simply click on this upgrade for more messages icon. And then you can see here the plans. Here you can see the free plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. Here the free is free and the pro is $20 per month and the premium is $50 per month. Here you can buy any plan that you want to. And that was all about how you can use this Trickle AI.